Have you ever heard the saying, the eighth wonder of the world? That's what Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest, and for a very good reason. It's a simple idea, but its power is almost magical. Scene 1. The concept. Visuals. A small seed is planted and grows into a sapling, which then quickly grows into a massive fruit-bearing tree. The camera then transitions to show a single coin that multiplies into a small pile, then a vast mountain of gold. Imagine planting a single seed. With time and care, it sprouts, grows into a sapling, and eventually becomes a massive tree, bearing its own fruit, which in turn holds more seeds. That's the essence of compound interest. It's the process where your money earns interest, and then that interest starts earning its own interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and faster. A single coin can become a small pile, and that pile can grow into a mountain of gold, all because the growth isn't just on your initial investment, but on the accumulated growth itself. Scene 2. A tale of two paths. Visuals. Introduce Alex and Ben on a split screen. Alex starts his journey on a path by planting a small sapling at age 25. Ben starts on a parallel path at age 35, planting a larger, more developed sapling. To see this magic in action, let's look at the story of two investors, Alex and Ben. Alex is diligent and starts his journey early. At age 25, he decides to plant a small financial seed, investing a modest $100 every month. His friend Ben is a bit more cautious. He decides to wait, focusing on other things. A decade later, at age 35, Ben realizes he needs to catch up. To make up for lost time, he starts investing a much larger sum, $300 a month, hoping his bigger effort can close the gap. Scene 3. The race of time. Visuals. A time-lapse shows both paths extending over decades. Alex's small sapling grows steadily, eventually becoming a colossal, sprawling tree. Ben's tree also grows, but never manages to reach the size and scale of Alex's. On-screen graphics compare their investment growth and final account balances at age 65. As the years fly by, something remarkable happens. Alex's small, consistent contributions, powered by decades of compounding, cause his investment to grow steadily into a colossal financial tree. Ben's larger investments also create growth, but his tree never quite matches the sheer size and scale of Alex's. When they both reach age 65, the numbers tell the tale. Despite investing significantly less money out of his own pocket over his lifetime, Alex's final balance is far greater than Ben's. The crucial factor wasn't the size of the monthly investment, it was time. Alex gave his money more time to work, to compound, and to grow exponentially. Scene 4. The call to action. Visuals. An older, content Alex is seen relaxing under his giant tree. The final shot shows a hand offering a single glowing seed to the viewer. This story reveals a profound truth about building wealth. The most powerful tool you have isn't a huge lump sum of cash, it's time. The best day to plant your financial seed was yesterday. The second best day is today. It doesn't matter if you start with a little or a lot. What matters is that you start. Plant your seed, no matter how small, and give it the time it needs to grow. Your future self will thank you for it. The power to build a more secure financial future is right there in your hands. So the only question left is, will you plant your seed today?